I'm excited. I'm in Wales. This morning I was sat in my lounge, and now I'm going to go whitewater rafting. Way of getting into a wetsuit, is there? I feel like a hermit crab. Thought I'd better get pumped first. Christian, will you pump me?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, oh this is so comfy. Oh, this is great. I reckon I'm about to float off. Oh, there's a guide over there. Oh. You've lost a lot of weight. Thanks, mate. This fits me better now. You look amazing. I'm at the National Whitewater Centre, and there's some sort of Lord of the Rings language after that, which might be, I think it says, Canolfin Dwyd Gaiwan Gana Kalevho. Oh, get some ventilation going actually. So I can breathe. Get my hairy chest out as well. Oh yeah. Ooh. It's actually quite a nice day. It was raining. I think it's the only place in the country it was raining I live. I've done this once or twice before, never in Wales, and it's always been fun. So I'm looking forward to it for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a good place. Oh, I can barely breathe. He was in the army. It's a habit, alright? We were told you have to all forward, repeat it just to clarify that you heard, yeah, and also for anyone else to hear it. Hold on, leader! Get down! Hold on, leader! And get down! Get down! That was nice. Stop there. Probably me first. No, I'm joking. Go on then. Go on, Dan. So what do you think, Dan? It's really good fun. I like hearing the squeals from behind me. It's always good. Good bit of rapids actually. I got really moist in the front. It's
You got really moist in the front.
I got really moist.
You got really moist in the front.
I did. I also got splashed a little bit as well. Yeah. Yeah. My splash. I got moist and well done. Yeah. Thanks, John. Yeah. Can you understand that? Lefeli Dwyer Godniffen Sydney. Yes, I can swim. Although they tell you to like go feet first. So you go feet first to protect yourself, because otherwise if you start swimming, then you could smack your head on a rock or something and then you'd be done for. Dimnofio Kimwer Ofal Lemer Lewiber. Although I'm not planning on dying today, so it should be alright.
So the rapids then, the next one's ski jump, then Miss Davis says, then hypochondria is the wave, and then fingers is the last rapid.
Fingers.
Dan loves the fingers.
All forward, all forward.
Fingers are fashionable now. Come back.
Fingers are fashionable now.
Since the 90s.
What girl's been telling you that?
I want to know how quickly you go through fingers and then onto.
Ignore him.
Never. I should get a bouncy castle for my birthday party. Get him over there. Do you think that look gets the girls? Like having half the wetsuit out, sort of like, I'm cool, I do adventure sports, look at me. In Agos Irafon Raid I Blant Pod. Just like, yeah, just having a break from all my adventures. Casual whitewater rafting. Exciting bus drivers. They just do the same route over and over again.
I don't know about you, Dan, but I keep getting hit by your big pole.
Timing it perfectly and all that at the back then. Not even looking at what you're doing.
Sorry, Ollie.
Alex is a car!
I don't want to get wet and cold, but it's going to happen, I think.
And go!
Nice. Does that mean I don't have to shower later? How do you get this wet look? The only way is to come to Wales to do whitewater rafting. In Goffal, it is gobbledygook. So if you've never done whitewater rafting before, it's one of those things that humans there's no reason to do it, as in like, it's not necessary, but we do it for fun anyway. It's like that really dangerous water, let's go in a boat and go over it, yeah? Good idea. So it's just a way to endanger your life for a bit of fun.
Keep paddling, come on, forward!
Stop being a pussy! No, I wouldn't be saying that. He's like, yeah, just forward. Get down! I've had less comfortable bus rides, sure. Oh God!
And up my boat!
Sorry, get a boat like this, and you get in and just fly down some rapids. So probably give that a go. Better than sitting in your living room in the morning, isn't it? Then. So this is one of the only places you can actually do natural whitewater rafting in the UK, because a lot of places are actually man-made with like concrete and stuff, but it's just real rivers, you can see. So that's really good. It's quite fun, and it's Wales. It's really nice. I would have to say the river here is grade 3, which means it's like medium. I've done this before at grade 4 plus, and it was sort of more extreme. So if this is your first time, I would go somewhere like this. But if you're looking for something more extreme, you probably need to look further abroad. But a positive for it being a lower grade is that they could mess around a bit with us, have a bit of fun, you know, got dunked a bit, and if you fall out, it's not going to be the end of the world. Unless you fall out in the graveyard corner, that's for sure. Easy to understand, it's a fly on my head. The guard, fuck off! As soon as I start talking, a fly will go on my head. Right, stand and horses going common. Flies going right. Is that good enough? If fly was in there, it would ruin my pose, right? Hang on, let's do it again.
Okay.
Better?